Hello everyone, it's Betty from RPM Coast. Today we're at Sunrise Court Community in Garden Grove, and we're going to take a look at this townhouse here, 13165 Newland Street. 2-story, 3-bed, 3-bath. Step inside. First floor has all tile floor. Kitchen, dining area here. New countertops, new sink. Direct access to car garage. With some storage shelves here. And the washer and dryer hookup. Large living room here with the fireplace, vault ceilings. Private little patio out here. There's one room downstairs. And a full bath here as well. The enclosed shower door. Large hall closet, and the other two rooms are upstairs. Brand new carpet. There's a large loft up here, as you can see. So one room's over here. Mirrored closet doors. Second full bath here. And then storage shelves, and the master has 2 separate vanities, tub and shower combo, and 2 separate closets. Okay, there you have it. So this is 13165 Newland Street in Garden Grove. If you are interested, please do go to our website, www.rpmcoast.com. There you'll see the 3D tour up close, more photos, ask some questions, and our application is available online too. So again, that's www.rpmcoast.com. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thanks so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.